Trying to pick a smartwatch, but everything feels the same? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Amazfit Balance 2 and the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build. The Amazfit Balance 2 features an aluminum alloy frame with a fiber-reinforced polymer case and sapphire glass protection, giving it a sporty yet rugged feel with 10 atmospheres water resistance. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro uses a premium stainless steel body with a classic smartwatch design, rotating crown, and 5 atmospheres water resistance for everyday lifestyle use. The Amazfit Balance 2 comes with a larger 1.5-inch AMOLED display, sapphire crystal protection, and brightness reaching up to 2,000 nits for excellent outdoor visibility. In comparison, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro offers a slightly smaller 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 466 by 466 resolution and up to 600 nits brightness. The Amazfit Balance 2 packs a massive 658 mAh battery, delivering up to 21 days of typical use and up to 33 hours of GPS tracking, making it ideal for endurance users. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro features a 495 mAh battery with around 55 to 65 hours of usage depending on LTE or Bluetooth mode, focusing more on smart features than ultra-long battery life. The Amazfit Balance 2 focuses heavily on fitness and recovery tracking with BioTracker 6.0 sensors, advanced sleep monitoring, stress tracking, readiness scores, diving support, golf maps, and over 170 sports modes. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro provides a richer smartwatch experience with Google Wear OS, Play Store apps, Google Maps, Google Assistant, NFC payments, LTE support, and smart integrations. The Amazfit Balance 2 uses Amazfit's optimized Zepp OS platform with a custom low-power chipset designed primarily for battery efficiency and fitness tracking rather than heavy app usage. The Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset built on a 4nm process, delivering smooth Wear OS performance and strong app support. The Amazfit Balance 2 was launched in May to June 2025 globally and is priced around $299, positioning it as a premium fitness-focused smartwatch with long battery life and advanced health tracking features. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro was launched in September 2023 and is priced around $269, making it a slightly more affordable premium smartwatch that focuses more on full Wear OS smart features, LTE support, and app ecosystem integration. The Amazfit Balance 2 is best suited for athletes, runners, outdoor users, and people who prioritize battery life, durability, and advanced fitness tracking. In contrast, the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro is designed more for users wanting a full smartwatch experience with Google Apps, smart notifications, LTE connectivity, and everyday productivity features. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.